abangania ba kiama kia UDA MERU ne bachumirite na kuga ne bakugwata Mbaru moronga mojo wa CLEOPHAS Malala KUURIA MCA wa Kugwatwa zipora kinya gutezaniria RWARIA ra kwingata ngabana KAWIRA gitene. Baugite Malala niwe mwaria wa kiama kia UDA na kwa uno mwanka kajukawe gatiwe bakienda na NZK kuthingatira na gutia BARUGA iria aandikiri. Dennis Mugendi ari na nteto eji.
Basemanitie tarungamiri kiama kia UDA baishigo bya ubunge bya kaunti ya MERU BARIUGA ni bakugwatanira na mwandiki munene CLEOPHAS Malala kurungika MCA NZK arekane na muswanda juria aikitie mbungeni jwa KWEBERIA ngabana KAWIRA gitene na uge bwa bantu kwa narune atutongiri bwa kiama ni bubateri ikwewa giteo na NZK nathikirie bwega
mantora ya kuendelea MERU County especially on issue ya governor na impeachment. Kiromba watu turea tongoria as leaders papate graking grassroots ora mutongoria tu na areo rwakua secretary general na inyapate linda mbue that decision yune bati kwa respected ni nominated leaders and UDA because ito komenya that mantu ora secretary general arawire utebwa amaya kwa identito chiawe ite na uwepo president na deputy party leader. It's like a nominated MP and a UDA akaroma mbunge akawa kana a sponsor motion ya impeach the president kana the party leader okay amakira nominated. So issue ikuendelea MERU kiromba sana atongoria betu na county assembly bara especially bara and UDA betani na issue sirasi sisi ya KIAMA kanora leadership ya KIAMA ikuwa at the top.
Antara SG arawire as if whoever is moving that motion ako with insubordination. SG nwe leader party at the national level. Na ibaba wati lite KIAMA na ibaba ezera bakimeka some decisions se KIAMA. So baraba yende batebati kwezera baita si euro barabari na euro ni babati ko respect.
Kiama kia UDA bakauga kiri na mawatho na mitaratara na wakumiuna kuri na nthinje irio aria nkuruki bakuromba kwithirwo kuri na ngwataniro gatigati ka atongeri ba kiama ki boni ondiria gukurikana kuri na murungamiri wa Southimenti arariri migambo yawe ya GUTAT na mwandiki munene
kuringana na Clarion co-president he wants people to dialogue. So sisi kama UDA coordinators we are supporting the SG of the party CLEOPHAS Malala for his Clarion call for dialogue because ito kumenya mama governor ito onere eta asla center na atweka member UDA so na batu tukwenda kudharania tuingwa. We want to empower the party at the grassroots. We want to MERU to be one.
Nkenda kuuria NDK the move of the motion bandu nyawemba kuthira aita in touch ka in line na bura kiama gikuithira gikiwa na
SG ni numwe na mtu wethera kia maoni ya leadership ya party na speaker wa party urabarikitie kuitikaniria kuwa za nominated member uo no nafasi ikiama no nafasi ikiama unubwito tumikia kiama urakiukwira. The party as a party has rules and regulations. It has its constitutions. Any happenings which within the constitution need to be followed to the letter. And as such, if it is that CDK refuses to withdraw the motion as directed by the SG, then what need to be followed are the laid down procedures, which is the constitution of the party.
Dennis Mugendi, WERU TV, mushine o maua, county ya MERU.